What made you change it to the Animals?
Well, because we were a bunch of animals.
How come a name like the Animals? Where'd you get that from?
Well, we look like animals, I think, sometimes.
Would you like to introduce us to the boys, starting with the lad on lead guitar?
Elton Valentine on lead guitar.
The gentleman on the organ over there?
That's Alan Price on the organ.
Alan Price. Drummer?
John Steele on drums. Johnny Steele.
John Steele on drums, and
Brian Chandler on bass guitar. Brian Chandler.
Even we got no bass, everything is gonna be alright.
Właśnie nadchodzą raźnym krokiem w nylonowych misiach.
Hang there now, stop rocking! Rock on! Get it! Get it! Get it! They got down rock!
What were you doing all this time?
Well, I became a Buddhist, man.
I know. They say this is the mystery man. You...
They've got it, by George, they've got it. Now tell me, where does it rain? On the plain, on the plain. Oh, goody. And where's that soggy plain? In Spain.
What were you up to all these years? You left us. Did you work as a drummer?
No, I work for Chaz as a sort of well-paid friend.
A well-paid friend, no less.
They next stop rocking till the moon went down.
Chess, le bassiste, fabriquait des instruments de musique. Il a préféré en jouer. Dave tient l'orgue qui lui rappelle, dit-il, les machines à calculer de son premier métier. Keaton, guitariste, ex-machiniste. Enfin, le plaisantin de la troupe, Barry, le batteur, qui rappelle que les...
The Animals, Britain's hottest new rock and roll export. Their New York arrival runs into a ban on any tumultuous airport reception. But the five lads...
I'm not the leader, but I'd like to pay a great respect to Eric Burden, who was our leader and a great man. Thank you.
Na perkusji. Na estradzie jeden z entuzjastów zupełnie oszołomiony ze szczęścia. Widowisko o rekordowej ilości decybeli dobiega końca.
Flâner autour de la Madeleine. On a beau, voyez-vous, être un animal, ou même 5 animals, on n'en est pas moins sensible aux choses.
Go ahead, fellas, tell them. Baby, and I know it too, baby.